Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our English lesson. So, for today's lesson, we are still in Unit 2, Appreciating Others, but we are focusing on grammar module. So, to be specific, we are going to look into concrete noun and abstract noun. Alright, move on. So, by the end of this video, you should be able to identify concrete and abstract noun as well as to differentiate concrete and abstract noun respectively. Okay, what is actually a concrete noun? So a concrete noun is actually a sense noun. So what does it mean by sense? That means you can see, you can hear, you can smell, you can taste, or you can touch them. So if you look at the pictures on this slide, they are concrete now. So flowers, music. Music, you can't see them, but you can hear them. Radio, baby, and cards. Okay, so these are the concrete noun. Okay, and then what is actually abstract noun? So abstract noun is actually used to express feelings, ideas, or thoughts. So if you look at this slide, there are no picture at all. Okay, so only words. For example, childhood, disappointment, confidence, joy, friendship, hatred. Alright, so these are what we call abstract noun. They are abstract. Okay, you can't see them, you can't hear them, you can't taste them. Okay, so it's actually used to express your feelings. Alright, now if you look at your textbook on page 18, you can see this one. Okay, so you got to group them accordingly, abstract noun and concrete noun. So for example, flower. So you can see flower, right? You can smell them. So obviously it goes to concrete noun. And then next one would be joy. Okay, you can't see joy. Alright, so it will be abstract noun. Okay, so and last one, let's take hatred. So hatred is a feeling. Okay, you hate someone, so you're full of hatred, so it is abstract noun. Okay, move on to the next one. So this one you can refer to your textbook, page 19. So there is a story about Snow White and the Queen. So you need to fill up the blanks with the abstract noun. So they have given you 6 abstract noun. So you got to fill them into the text. Okay, I'm not going to read it. You can pause the video and you can read this, or you can just refer to your textbook. Okay, now just summary of it. Okay, so the mirror said Snow White was the fairest of them all when the queen asked. So what happened after that? The queen was full of anger. Yeah, she was very angry because when she asked the mirror who was the fairest of them all, and the mirror said it was Snow White. And then she made an order to kill Snow White. After that, Snow White realized that she was in great danger. Why? Because the queen wanted to kill her, because of queen's hatred and jealousy. Okay, move on. So what happened? Snow White ran away to hide at Seven Dwarf Cottage. So next one, the queen knew Snow White was still alive. So what happened? One day she came in disguise so that Snow White could not recognize her and gave her a poisoned apple. Remember, she wanted to kill Snow White in the first place, right? So after Snow White had eaten the apple, she fell into a deep sleep. So the dwarf were very sad. So feeling very upset. So it's actually a synonym of sad. Feeling very upset, they cried all night and built a glass coffin for her. Okay, what happened after that? A Prince Charming came and kissed Snow White. So right after that, immediately Snow White opened her eyes. The seven dwarfs danced with joy. They were very happy that Snow White was alive. And then after that, they live happily ever after. Okay, so basically we have put all the six abstract now into the blanks. Okay, so I think that's all for today's lesson. I hope you can have a look at this abstract and concrete noun on your textbook. Okay, so please stay safe at home and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.